Here he comes.
The following contest is a triple threat match, and it's for the Extreme Pro Wrestling Impact Championship. Making his way to the ring from Helsinki, Finland, weighing in at 232 pounds, the Falcon!
Ladies and gentlemen, by night's end, we will crown a new champion.
No offense to you, Cole, but part of me wishes Gorilla Monsoon was here for this match, just so we can hear him say, history has been made at the conclusion.
Well, guys, I'd say now is as good a time as any to wish everybody a happy New Year.
I like that attitude, Michael. Unfortunately, for one of these competitors, though, there's going to be nothing happy about how this year will start out.
And I've got to work another year with you.
The WWE Universe just exploded!
And his opponents, first, representing the Outlaws from Glasgow, Scotland, weighing in at 268 pounds, Julian!
Here we go, guys. We're going to finally have a champion after this one.
You have to imagine these superstars are feeling the pressure here. You don't come into a match of this magnitude without feeling it at least a little bit.
And you got these superstars be looking to kick the new year off with a win here tonight.
No, there's no way to understate just how important it is to go into the new year with momentum on your side.
Yeah, now we're talking.
And from Frankfurt, Germany, weighing in at 200 pounds, Baker!
Ladies and gentlemen, this match is for the vacant championship.
Which means tonight we finally crown one of these superstars as our next champion. And it's about time, if you ask me.
Well, guys, I'd say now is as good a time as any to wish everybody a happy New Year.
I like that attitude, Michael. Unfortunately, for one of these competitors, though, there's going to be nothing happy about how this year will start out.
And I've got to work another year with you.
You win this title, you are a top name in this industry.
fight feel tonight. Triple threat rules, no disqualifications. The first fall decides the match.
No alliances here. Every superstar for themselves. One-on-one-on-one.
The springboard attack fails to land.
He was waiting for him to make his move.
Luthez press. Raining down right hands. Every strike more devastating than the last.
He takes control.
Avoiding contact. He decides. Jeez.
It might not be flashy, but sometimes you just got to toss another person and make a statement. If there's one match type that's all about knowing when to pick your spots, it's got to be the triple threat match. Being a smart competitor means biding your time, letting the other two superstars in the match tire themselves out and wear each other down. Then you just have to pick the bones like the in-ring genius you are.
Honestly, sounds more like an in-ring scavenger, Corey, but still a smart strategy nonetheless.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Planning on what to do next.
Piercing the throat.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about. Grabbing a kendo stick. Any connection with flesh will definitely leave a welt.
Down in a hurry. What a clothesline. Knee lift.
Whoa, just floating through the air. Hooked him up. High angle belly to back suplex.
Running power slam.
Off into the pin.
Not even a near fall there.
Oof, back elbow puts a stop to things.
Ooh, what a damaging blow.
Uses an elbow to disrupt that attack.
Getting him into the corner.
In the corner, and an elbow for good measure. He's got him locked.
Suplex. Goes into the pin. Strong kick out there.
He's not even close to being done yet.
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring.
He's got the slugger in hand and is ready to go to work.
And again!
Clearly an attack that very few superstars can perform with such ease. Oh, God, that hurt. He manages to escape it.
Just breaking down the opponent. And shoulders are down.
First a knife-edge chop, and now continuing the attack on the knee.
Straight to the knee.
An effective attack to the leg can hurt everything from balance to mobility. It can drastically limit you inside the ring.
What a forearm. This match's brutality starting to show on him.
Hanging tough as this match progresses. No easy task in a triple threat match.
Just unloading knees to the body.
And any one of those shots could take you out for good.
Big knee to the midsection.
Ducking out of trouble.
Hard landing.
Great counter. Shoulder tackle. Going for a pin for the championship. Pushes through after two.
This could be a tipping point in this match.
Look at this, just unloading. Oh, nasty stop to finish it off.
Setting it up. Boom.
He's got the answer for that one. Oh, right to the gut.
Neither one of these men are showing any signs of staying down.
Yeah, but it can't last much longer at this pace.
He's able to fend off the attack. Right to the jaw. Shoulders down. Championship on the line.
He breaks the ref's count before 2.
Not quite enough to put him away.
Shoulder tackle.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. Wasting absolutely no respect on his opponent. You gotta love it.
He's looking for an implement of destruction.
Uh-oh. Hoisted up, double underhook. Weaves out.
Counter with a vicious clothesline.
Oh, didn't see that one come.
Pin attempt for the championship. Kicks out. He still has life.
How? How?
Oh, my God, a steel chair. Oh, strong impact.
And the damage is just going to keep on coming if you can't find the defense for this. These superstars must be feeding off the WWE Universe.
This place is starting to rock.
Oh, my God.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line.
And a kick out at 2.
What a match. Uh-oh. Uh-oh is right.
Package pile driver.
Isn't enough. Isn't enough.
Broken up. And the match continues.
That's teamwork.
Listen to this place. It's electric.
Got it scouted.
Oh, catapulting down on the opponent. Just mounted with punches and a stop to the gut too.
And he's just flaunting his skills now.
He can't allow himself to let up now.
Perched up top. A diving knee drop. Oh, right to the gut. Put her to position now. Oh, right across the throat. Producing a trampling. Kendo stick impact. Oh.
Ooh. He wants even more out of his opponent.
And that's going to impair him even more.
Terrible predicament for him to be in at this stage, and he needed that badly.
But he still has...
Kick to the midsection. Oh, this is so much fun to watch.
Big-time powerbomb.
That puts him in total control.
Denied with an elbow.
Fends off the attack with an elbow.
German suplex. But that's not all.
Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination.
Raining down right hands.
I don't know if this is a good idea. This is going to take more strength than he has left. A lift-up power bomb. No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Looks like he's ready to bust some heads with that sledgehammer, gentlemen.
Ooh, sledgehammer to the body. This is not for the faint of heart. Oh, what a right hand!
Back in the ring now. Uh-oh. Trying to put them away, able to counter.
And a clothesline counter.
Ooh!
There's electricity running through this arena right now.
Will it be the spark for one of these competitors?
Counters with a brutal answer. Held in a perilous position. Great wherewithal on the counter.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Kick to the midsection. Hoisted up. Disorienting spin and momentum into a spinning power bomb. That could be it. 2 and a kick out. No one saw that coming.
I truly thought it was all over.
Pin attempt for the championship.
And he breaks up the pin and the match continues.
Oh my gosh, terminating knee smash.
Sleeper slam. Bang.
Mounted palm strikes.
Uh-oh is right.
Package pile driver.
No man does that better.
Makes the cover.
We have a brand new champion fulfilling their destiny.
Here is your winner, and the Extreme Pro Wrestling Impact Champion, Julian.
This triple threat victory, some would call it quite the Herculean feat.
I have to say, I'm just as impressed by this one as the WWE Universe.